In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display top customers based on a parameter in Tableau. Let's dive right in and explore how you can accomplish this in just a few steps. First, you'll want to launch your Tableau application. If you're not familiar with this, Tableau is a powerful tool used for data visualization and business intelligence, and having it open and ready to go is our first step. Once the app is open, you'll need to access your worksheet where you'll be working on your visualization. It's essential to have your data source already connected to Tableau for this process. Now let's move into arranging our data. Start by dragging the customer name field to the rows shelf. This will help ensure that each customer is listed in your visualization. After that, drag the sales field and drop it onto the column shelf. By placing your sales figures on the column shelf, you'll create a visual representation of sales data alongside each customer. Next, take the customer name again and drag it over to the filters shelf. When you drop it there, a window will pop up. Click on the top tab within this window. This step is crucial as it allows you to specify how you want to filter or rank your customers. In the top tab, click By Field, then click on the drop-down and select the option to create a new parameter. You're creating a slider parameter to dynamically change the number of top customers displayed. Name this parameter Slider and set the minimum value to 0 and the maximum to 10. This range allows flexibility in adjusting how many top customers can be displayed. Once you've set up the parameter, click OK. Make sure that the top is sorted by sales and that the aggregation setting is Sum. Click OK once more to finalize your changes in this window. Next, locate your newly created slider. You can do this by selecting the slider and then choosing Show Parameter. This action will display the parameter control on your dashboard, allowing for interactive manipulation of the data. To position the slider in a more convenient spot, drag it from the right side and place it just below the marks field. This positioning will help keep your workspace organized. Now let's ensure that customer names are sorted appropriately. Click on Customer Name on the rows shelf and select Sort. Change the sort by option to Field, and then ensure that the order is set to Descending. This sorting method will make sure that customers are displayed starting from those with the highest sales, providing clear insights into who your top performers are. And there you go. You've set up a dynamic way to view your top customers using Tableau. This setup allows for quick adjustments and easy analytics, providing powerful insights into your customer data.